Welcome. In this class, we discuss the railway zones in India. Now, how many railway zones are there? So, there are 16 railway zones. 16 railway zones. Among 16, so 9 are old one and 7 are new one. And later, two more are added to this. So, total reached 18. Okay, these two are run under Indian Railway System and Indian Railway Ministry. So these two are special. Now, before going to locate those railway zones on India map, just we go to this activity. Chalo, let's go. It is circle. Just now, what are the primary directions? Everybody knows. So it is north. This one is south. It is east, and this one is west. So these four are primary directions. N for north for northern railways. So go on. Eastern railways, southern railways, western railways. So these four. Now we locate these four directions on India map. Come here. So this is rough figure. Approximately it is circle. The same circle we are going to show on India map. Now see here. So can you identify those four directions? Very easy and simple. See the black color. The black color region 1, 2, 3, 4. These black color region are those primary directions. Now we write them. So this one it is northern railways. Okay, clear. Now this one it is southern western railways. Okay. Now it is southern railways and it is eastern railways. Okay, these four are complete. We have completed four. See here, it is we completed four. Next, now we locate the headquarters. Now northern railways headquarter is located here, New Delhi. Now let's write here northern railways, Delhi. Next, western railways. Western railways is at Mumbai. It is Mumbai Churchgate. Mumbai Churchgate. Then southern railways. So it is Mumbai Churchgate, and southern railways it is Chennai, and eastern railways is here, it is Kolkata. Fairly Kolkata. Okay, right. Now come here. We have completed four. Now let's go on to this activity again. What are the primary directions? What are the subdivisions, subdirections? So what are the subdirections? As we know, this one is northeast, and it is very easy and know, everybody knows, southeast, and it is northwest, and this one is southwest. So it is nothing but northeastern railways. You go on, complete. Southeastern railways and go on the same. Now we locate the remaining four on India map. Come here. Now here you see it is easy one, and identify what are those four subdirections. See it is very clear. The green region, see green. The green region is subdirections. Now write down. We locate them. Subdirections are this one, green region, Uttar Pradesh. It is northeast railways, northeastern railways, and where are it is this one. It is northwestern railways, and this one it is southwestern railways, and here this one it is the green color, this one, this region, it is southeastern railways. Now we look at their headquarters. North Eastern Railways, the headquarter is located here. It is Gorakhpur. Now let's write here. North Eastern Railways, Gorakhpur. Then North Western Railways, North Western Railways. It is here. It is Jaipur. Then South Western Railways. This one is Hubli. South Western Railways, Hubli. Then this one, it is South Eastern Railways. South Eastern Railways. This one is at Kolkata. Kolkata. Kolkata Garden Reach. Garden Reach, Kolkata. Right. How many we completed? So we have completed 4. 8. Total 8 we have completed. Now look the remaining directions. Very simple and easy. Just you extend. This is center. You extend this direction towards center. Towards center. So that we get this one western central. West central. West central. Okay. You go on the same. You extend this one towards center. So that we get north central. Okay. Now extend this one towards center. So it is east. So it is east central. Then this one, it is south central. So it is nothing but north central railways and go on. West central railways, east central railways, south central railways. Now we locate the same these 4 on India map. Come here. So it is easy and identify. So what are the colors? The colors are yellow this time. So you extend. See here, this one you extend. Okay. You extend this and you will get south central railways. Okay, this one, this yellow color region. Now here you extend into towards center. It is center here. Towards center you get west central railways. Okay, west central railways. Now here this one you extend, you will get north central. Okay, north central railways. Clear. North central railways. Now see this one. Okay. Extend this, you will get east central railways. Okay, this one, this yellow up to red mark. It is north central railways, west central. This one, west central railways. By extending towards the center, we get these 4 headquarters. Okay, shall we write here? We write on here. Now we see their headquarters. North Central Railways. North Central Railways. Right. North Central Railways. The headquarter of North Central Railways is here. This one, it is Allahabad. Allahabad. Now newly it is called as, renamed as Prayagraj. Okay. Now this one. By extending towards center, we get West Central Railways. West Central Railways. The headquarter is here, Jabalpur. Jabalpur is in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, write down. Allahabad is in Uttar Pradesh. Right, okay. Now, by extending this one, we get South Central Railways. The headquarter is here, this one, it is Secunderabad. Secunderabad is Telangana state. Now this one, by extending, we get East Central Railways. Is not clear? Okay, the headquarter is here. This one, it is Hajipur. East Central Railways. It is Hajipur. Okay, how many we completed? We have completed 12. Now let's move on to others. Right. So you suppose you extend this one. You extend this one. What you get? You will get northeast frontier railways. northeast frontier. By extending, it is northeast, far away from northeast frontier. So you see the same here. You extend this one. This one mean here of this area. This area far away, northeast frontier railways. Okay, it is one northeast frontier railways. The headquarters is, let's write here, northeast frontier, northeast frontier railways. Headquarters is here. This is Guwahati. Now, what is, as we know, this one, this red mark, the red mark is up to here. This is all red mark is Central Railways. The headquarters of Central Railways is here. This total area is Central Railways. Okay, this one. So Central, right here, Central Railways is Mumbai. Mumbai CST, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Now, how many we completed? So we have completed 2 more, and you look at one. It is Southeastern Railways. So by extending towards center like this, we get Southeast Central Railways. So the headquarters of Southeast Central Railways is here. This one. It is right. Let's say it is Bilaspur. It's right here. Southeast Central Railways. The headquarters is Bilaspur. Okay. How many completed? This one. Now one more is there here. So this is this pink. You know, this pink color region. This pink color region is called as East Coast. East Coast Railways. The headquarters of East Coast is this one, Bhubaneswar. East Coast Railways, Bhubaneswar. Okay, this one. Total for 12, for 16 we completed. And what are 2 more? So 2 more are, one is here, this one, from here to here, Mangalore. From where to where? This? Where to where?
Mumbai, right?
Mumbai to Mangalore. Okay. Roha. From Roha to Mangalore. The headquarters is Mumbai. Here. This is called Konkan Railways. Konkan Railways headquarters is Mumbai. Navi Mumbai. Okay. Now this is the one, and also this one here also Kolkata Metro. Here. Kolkata Metro. So these two, Konkan Railways and Kolkata Metro. These two are added. Actually, these two do not have any divisions. But these two run under the Railway Ministry, Railway Board. Total, these two added, total 18. Okay. So this is all about railway zone. It is easy for us. Just you will see the picture and then you keep the same on India map. We remember every time. Okay, thank you.